Test drive the 2016 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote start, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.